Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, due to 50% reduction in the price of vegetable oil, Cantera can now buy 8 liters more vegetable oil without changing her total expenditure on vegetable oil. If she spends 640 dirham on vegetable oil, find the original price of vegetable oil. Write the original price of vegetable oil be X dirham per liter. So, she buys Y liters of vegetable oil for 640 dirham when the price become 0.5x, she gets Y plus 8 liters, as she gets 8 liter more vegetable oil, that is Y plus 8 liters for the same, that is for the same price means 640 dirham. So xy will be 640. Suppose this is first, that is 0.5x into y plus 8. Again, due to 50% deduction, we will get this second. So, from 1, x will be 640 by y. X will be 640 by y. And from 2, if we substitute this x, from 2, 0.5 into 640 by y into y plus 8 equals to 640, that is 0.5y plus 0.5 into 8 equals to y. So 0.5 into 8 equals to 0.5y. So y will be 8 liters. And from 1, x is 640 by 8 means 80 dirham per liters. Hence, original price is 80 dirham per liters.